I'm Bridget.
And we are going to show you a spotlight on one of our newer products, but really an increased selection of products. So we are looking now at the forms. So these are metal forms, whether or not they are rounded or circle. We've had a number of different names that we have used for them. The square or the closed rings tend to be the circles. But now we're introducing some of the shapes, and I absolutely love them.
Fun shapes here.
Fun shapes. So Bridget, what shapes do we have?
So we have the hexagon here. We have a drop, a puff triangle, just our regular rectangle here, a heart, a fun moon, a marquee, and we have a cross as well.
And then again, that's adding into the rounds that we already have in multiple sizes, as well as some of these squares, which we actually just featured on one of our YouTube lives, showing how to wire work and to kind of work with them, piecing them together. You've also shown them in some of your videos how to do some stringing around them.
Yep, some beading and brick stitch, which I'm very excited about with a lot of these, just throwing some brick stitch on there.
And I'm also excited, honestly, we have one that's an infinity sign as well. And the number of different shapes here, there's more as well as more colors of each shape. I'm excited just to use them plain. So I'm looking forward to kind of just hanging some charms off of them, taking and using them in their plain element as well, beading maybe around the sides of them, or even adding them into just the middle of a bracelet.
And they could definitely be some really nice, just minimalist jewelry. Just throw, do a jump ring and an ear wire, maybe put a drop in, just a little bit in there for a really nice minimalist look.
And even stacking one on top of the other, again, for that minimalist look, is kind of adding those two forms together. So you have kind of that one stacked on top of the other, or that look and design of, again, adding one on top of the other, and even not going in and beating them at all.
Yeah, just kind of leaving them
jump ring or wire and leaving them together. So if you do want to check out some of our other YouTube videos that use them, make sure to type in that YouTube search form. There's always also the little link that you can click right near Bridget here to subscribe to check us out and to get regular updates from us here at Potomac Beads. Also below us, what's below us?
Below us
is links.
links
to get links that you can go in and actually check out some of these products if you do want to shop with us online. As always, if you want to also comment below and let us know what you're excited about, either some patterns that you've seen for them or what you would like us to do with them, and really play around with the different shapes, adding them together. I'm excited to use some of the squares and rectangles, and I think do kind of a stained glass window theme for one of them as well. Ideas are flowing, and I'm getting ready to use them too. So again, if you do want to grab some of those forms, check them out. We'll be adding more, and this is kind of just a continuation of them, and more shape suggestions below as well too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy checking out some of our new forms.